everyone and welcome to my channel. In this video you'll learn to make wall hanging. You can use this as keys holder as well as jewelry organizer. You can hang your earrings, your bracelets on this wall hanging. For making this wall hanging you require bangles, wool and square stick. Roll wool around the square stick and secure it with Fevicol. Stick all of these rings in one straight line with hot glue gun and make sure all of the square sticks are parallel to each other. So this completes my video. I hope you will try this, and if you do share pictures with me on my Instagram account or on my email ID. Link will be in the description box, so don't forget to check description. So thank you for watching and do subscribe my channel and do like and share my video.